in here I notice that they use the word thing, and so I would make a suggestion here by adding a suggestion and coming over and saying something like, try to use a more specific word. Thing is, let's see, thing is too general. And then add comment, go. Now anything that is underlined red, I'm probably going to change this and fix it, but I'm going to come up here to editing mode, change that to suggesting. Okay, and now when I make this, it shows what I've changed it from, what I've changed it to, and so the suggestions are on smart. Robot friend is SMART. Here we go. Named Robo he help. I know that's a blue underline, so I'll just click that. And so it has helps, homework, and so it's making all of these suggestions for me. Okay, now if this was going to somebody else, which I will share it with later, they could press the check marks. But we're going to leave the suggestions on. I'm not going to go through everything. In here, you can see now the differences. You can compare it above and see your if your comments are similar to theirs. Here, let's see, we're going to double space and we're going to change the normal text headings. Okay, first of all, let's select all of the text. I'm going to select the text from going down to up. Sorry. Okay, don't see too much. I'll come up here to the spacing and I'm going to double space this. Next, it says change the normal text headings. Normal text headings, so I'm going to come in here. I'm going to change that from normal text to heading 1. I'll do the same down here. Normal text to heading 1. Normal text to heading 1. Do this all the way through. References. And then let's see what it says to do next. Come back up. It says add a page break for each new section. Okay, well let's go in, insert page break. We can probably leave the abstract. So let's put that into, sorry, insert page break. Insert page break. Okay. Shift enter. Insert page break. Insert page break. And finally, okay, these should have what's called a hanging indent. Okay. Now we come up here, we put all those in, and double straight. Okay, add page breaks, insert page numbers. So we can just double click into here, into our footer, and I'm going to go to the options, give page numbers, and show start at 0, so we start at 1. Okay, and put those, apply to the footers. Okay, page, the title in the header. So here's the title. Let's copy that. Okay, I'm going to double click into here, and I'm going to paste, that's the title. And now we should see that the title is on each page. Down into the header. Put the table of contents on the first page, which would be page 3. In this case, I think it's page 4. I'm going to just change that. Let's come over here. Okay. Accept that change. Insert. A table of contents is down here. Here we go. And here we go. There's the abstract and all that. Next, the table of contents. Okay, try tools and explore. So now that we've done this, maybe I'm going to also select all of this and edit this a little bit. I'm going to make this double. Okay, and let's try the tools and explore. Let's see. Okay, I wrote about this. Andrew McAfee, Eric, I don't know how to say that name, artificial intelligence. Let's see, let's find Andrew McAfee. Let's see what he's a principal researcher at MIT and co-founder of the MIT initiatives of the Sloan Management. Maybe we can put that in. So I'm going to find, okay, Andrew. Let's see where Andrew. There is Andrew. To close up Explorer for a moment. Find again Andrew McAfee. So, try it again. Tools, explore. It says I wrote about Andrew McAfee. Okay. Oh. Let's find something on artificial intelligence. Okay, here's a book. Turing, so here's McAfee. Works such as McAfee's. Let's go back. I can go back. Find that Andrew McAfee. Okay. Insights into, okay. We can say that Andrew McAfee. Let's get the same formatting. As here. And quotes around that. And find out where we got this from. This actually came from Wikipedia, it says. We might need to cite this. Co-founder, he's the principal researcher. It says that right there on here. Okay, in the first little bit. on this Andrew McAfee. This comes in here. Let's see. Okay. And find out when that was created. 2023, September. Okay. Now we need to go down here and make a citation. Let's see, how do we cite Wikipedia? MLA. Okay. The title, Wikipedia Foundation, and then the, okay. The title is Andrew McAfee. Come back over here. That would be first then. And that, give it the same. Style. Okay, let's see, how do we save that again? And then Wikipedia, okay. Come back over. Let's see, was there a full stop there? Set the full stop, and then Wikipedia. In Wikimedia Foundation. Come here, you. And just remove all this other stuff in a moment. That was a full stop. Paste that in. Let's see. Wikipedia, that's a comma there. Wikipedia. Okay. Delete. Foundation. Wikimedia Foundation. Comma. Right after here. Space. Let's get the same formatting. Copy that. And then we have the date is 2023. And then what did it say? And then the date of the last modification of the URL. Well, the date of the last modification was September 18 September. 18 September 2023. And then let's see. And then we put comma and then the actual URL. Back over, put a comma here and the actual URL. And there we go. Now before we do that, the last thing that we might want to do is share this with somebody else. I'm going to just come to share, and I'm going to type in a friend, but instead of restricted, I might change it to Shrewsbury School, and they can be an editor. And then I'm going to put in a friend's name, so Sam Wilson, and then I'll press send.